Hello everybody, today I'm recording my, I forgot the date, but it'll be in the title, but I'm recording this Craftmade Valencia ceiling fan. I got two of these off of Marketplace, one of them being a pull chain and the other one being the remote. I have a Minka Air remote because this one, the original remote, was broken. This fan has a uplight and usually comes with a bowl light, but I did not like the bowl light and one of them was messed up anyway, so it's okay. These fans are pretty rare. They're pretty rare. There's only been one other video of one of these, and I got one of them for my friend because he wanted one and I was gonna keep one as well. But yeah, I will go ahead and start it up. Wait, turn this on low. Low. The second one with the pull chain had a bad capacitor in it, so I had to replace the capacitor. This one, and it also had a broken side light, like the sideband. It was busted, unfortunately. But I did replace it, and I got the second one working. The second one was in really bad condition. The blades were all bent and shit, and it was just really bad. But somehow I was able to get it into basically brand new condition like this one is. The other one is actually 60, or not 60, but 56 or 54 inches. This one's 52 inches. This one has smaller blades compared to the other one. Yeah, let's go ahead, put it on media. It's a little loud. You can probably hear the zun, 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 zun. I apologize if I sound weird. I am actually sick right now, and I'm recovering, so I sound a little off. And of course, I have to get sick at the perfect time when I was going to come back to making fan videos, but it's okay. These fans are very beautiful. I love them a lot. I think they're pretty neat fans, and I think I'm extremely glad that I got these. And I hope my friend is as well, because he wanted this. You can see it's a little wobbly, but both of them are. The other one's wobbly, way more wobbly compared to this one. I'm not actually sure what the buzz is. I'm not sure why it's buzzing, but yeah. It's like a really good amount of air. I'm also pretty sure this has a 188 in it. I'm like 90% sure this has a 188 in it, if not a large 172 by something. I forget by whatever's after by, but yeah, these are really nice fans. I like them a lot. Let's go to high. Here's blades cracking. It's a whole lot wobblier and louder. We're gonna take a look. See the uplight. See, this is a remote I'm using. It's actually, the wobble's completely gone. Let's turn it off. Alright. This is what the light looks like. It's just an LED ring light. Tag. It's right. Actually, where is it? It's right there. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my 52-inch Craftmade Valencia ceiling fan, and I am out.